Okay, you guys, here is another gorgeous home that is move-in ready in Haddington Place by Logan Homes in the Ocean Ridge community out in Sunset Beach. And this is your favorite. This is the Anchor. Everyone absolutely loves the Anchor. It is sitting here on a corner lot here in Haddington Place. And you could not have the best neighbors out on front of you right here. Those are the Smiths. They are the sweetest. You've got the Dixons 2 doors down over there. You got the Gasberries over here. You guys, so many amazing people have chosen to live here in Haddington Place, so you can't go wrong, especially now, because let me tell you what, don't look at the list price of these homes. Don't. Because there is so much wiggle room in these prices because they have a lot of standing inventory and they need to sell it, you guys. They need to sell it. So if you have wanted to live in Haddington Place, Ocean Ridge, here in Sunset Beach, and you've been admiring the Anchor, the Angler, the Channel, the Bayshore, what is another home? I don't know. If you love some Logan Homes and you love these prices, well, the deal I can get you on these homes is even better, let me tell you. So let's go on in and take a look at this gorgeous Anchor. Okay, so you know the drill. You come on into this gorgeous foyer area with this wainscoting. Look at the side lights on that door with the transom above. Obsessed, love it. You have this office area off to the right. Now here in the Anchors, they have changed it. You may remember that the old Anchors had this cutout here that led over to that side of the kitchen, off to the garage, but they enclosed that. I think this is a lot more functional space as a result, and you do have a closet here in this office. Let's go take a look at the kitchen and the living first now. Look at this kitchen. I love the fact that they did this wood stained cabinet, this sort of espresso stained cabinet. I love it. It looks really pretty in this kitchen with the black hardware. I love these counters. I'm so glad that they chose this finish. This is pumping it up a bit. I've gotten a little bit bored with some of the white, and you guys, this is looking really pretty. Really pretty. It's a whole nother vibe. It's sort of farmhouse-ish, but it's also coastal at the same time. I like the selection of the backsplash, and they did put the gas cooktop in here. You've got your hood. So love the selections in here. You've got your single bowl sink. You've got your dishwasher here next to the sink. You've got your trash pullout. Oh, I haven't done this in a while. Soft clothes. Love the pendants. Love the hardware choices on here. This just looks a little bit more high-end in comparison. They also did the black knobs on the built-ins over there. Usually those are brushed nickel, but they carry the same hardware over to that. So glad that they're paying attention to that. Love that. Okay, so just really love the stylings here. So let's take a closer look at this living room with the built-ins. You've got your electric fireplace, your beams in the ceiling that are vaulted. You've got your plug-in here in the floor. We are on a raised slab foundation, so it's hard to put electrical in a raised slab or any plumbing. So they made sure that you could plug your lamps in, charge your phone from the couch with that floor plug-in, and then these telescoping doors lead off to one of the biggest porches you'll ever find in a floor plan. So you come out here. Now you are gonna have a house right behind you. You're gonna have the side of that house because I believe the front entry to that house is gonna be facing Haddington, which is right there. But that house is gonna be fairly close and right in your backyard. So if that's a deal breaker, then this isn't the house for you. But if it is not, it equals a big negotiating tactic. negotiating point. Look at this ginormous porch on this anchor. I mean, the anchor plan is phenomenal. Of course, that's why it's one of your favorites. Mostly everyone I talk to, the anchor is absolutely their favorite plan. A lot of the times the anchor may push you right up to the top of your budget, if not over, but this is a reason, this house being built right behind you is a reason, you guys, is a reason to get the anchor in your budget. And plus, on top of that, they have so much standing inventory in here, they need to sell houses. So you guys, and use me, don't go up in there and try to negotiate the best deal possible without me, because you know what? I could probably get it for you for a little bit less than what you could on your own. So if you're already working with an agent, then fantastic. But if you're not, it doesn't cost you anything to use an agent. You don't get a discount if you don't have an agent. You need representation to make sure that you get the best deal and that you have someone walking you through the whole process, including the walkthroughs to make sure all the punch list items are taken care of and attended to. So you know what? There's no reason not to call me if you don't already have an agent, of course. I'm Jessica Wainwright, 910-518-JESS. 5377. So let's go dive into this luxurious primary suite and see how they finished off the primary bathroom. And ooh, I just had a peek at it and I love it. You've got your tray ceiling. This is a great size bedroom for sure. You are gonna have that house behind you, unfortunately, but that's the way it rolls. As lots get gobbled up, you have to take the lots that are left. It's a great neighborhood. Look at this huge bathroom and look at those blue cabinets. Isn't that gorgeous? Is it blue or a dark gray? I don't know, but I love it. Look at the black hardware. Really, really pretty. Love the tile choice in here. This is a huge bathroom. Huge, huge, huge. You could put a nice piece of furniture here. No problem. You do have this nice big, let me get this light on. You do have, I've got a spider web on me somewhere. Hold on a second. Okay, you have this nice shower here with the frameless door. You've got your bench there in the corner with your two little shelves, really pretty. This shower does not have the handheld like some of the other showers we've seen today, but that's okay. They splurged in some spots and not in others. You do have a nice linen closet here. And you have your water closet there. And you have your nice walk-in closet with your luxury vinyl plank floors. And you have natural light in this closet, which I always love. Plenty of room in here. Plenty of room. So as you may remember, the old anchor had a shower that went from there all the way to here. So they shortened that shower, even though it's still a very nice sized shower, but you get all this space here to use. And as a result of shortening that shower, that created this nice big closet here in the laundry room. So that is a fantastic linen closet for all like your bulky linens, your Costco closet, whatever you want to store in there. It's amazing space. And you've got your cabinets here above your washer and dryer. So lots to love about this anchor plan. So of course the anchor primary closet comes off onto the laundry room, but we're going to circle back around this way. I love the black hardware and the fact that they added some color to the cabinetry in this house instead of it just being all sort of monotone, you know, even though that is pretty, because when you do get your furniture in here and you accessorize and all that good stuff, it looks gorgeous either way. I mean, these are amazing houses. I mean, you can't go wrong, but I do love the selection choices in here. That light there in the foyer, that can be a little bit better. I would replace that probably. Logan's not going to replace it for you, but hey, if you use me as an agent and you don't like that light, we'll get you a pretty one. You let me know. I'll buy you a pretty light fixture. But let's head on back over here and take a look at the pantry here for the anchor. Look how nice. off the kitchen. I don't know if I got that or not. I can't remember. And then this is the laundry room that we were just in off the primary. Those are the stairs up. And then we have this nice coat closet here off of the garage door. And then let's go take a look at the garage. This is one of the larger garages that they offer on their plans. It's very spacious and it has some extra added storage. You've got a little bump out there that makes that front elevation look so pretty. They used to epoxy these floors, but they stopped doing that. But if you need to get someone to epoxy your floors in your garage, you just let me know. I recently worked with Hello Garage, and they're a great little company. You've got your water heater over there, but some extra storage. And then you have your man door, your access to the side yard here in the garage. That's a nice benefit that they added that costs a little bit extra. They also have a sink here in the garage. So if you were to build this house from the ground up, all those little things in that garage would cost more. So as we're over here, let's go ahead and hop upstairs and see this incredible space on the second floor. As you come up here, you do have carpet on the second floor, and we'll take a look at that door in just a minute. But in here, you do have a great size bedroom. This is a wonderful size for adult children, for guests. This could be a complete guest getaway. Easy peasy. Nice tall ceilings. Lots and lots of space. You've got a private bathroom up here, and they brought that blue cabinet into the space. Love it. And then you've got your tile shower in here. If you wanted to put a door on here, I can hook you up with a glass door installer, or you could do a curtain, and that would be fine too. So over here, you have a good size walk-in closet as well for this bedroom. So love, love, love this bedroom upstairs for the anchor. And then if you guys know, you know this huge space in here. Let me turn on this light. Look, you have a massive amount of space here for storage, or you can finish this off. I've got a guy. I think it's around $25,000 to finish this all off, maybe 28 when you pull in the mini split to condition it. So isn't this great? Let's go on back downstairs and let's check out the secondary bedrooms on this primary level. So go back through this incredible living room, past the foyer area into the second bedroom on the first level. They brought the luxury vinyl plank all throughout. These bedrooms in the anchor are a fantastic size. I mean, there is no bedroom in this floor plan that's not a really, really good size. You've got nice tall ceilings. You've got your wide baseboards. Very, very nice. Love the black hardware. You've got just a regular size closet in there. And then through here, you do have a coat closet, or that's a linen closet actually. And then, as you know, the anchor has this cute guest powder room, and it has some storage as well. Lots and lots of storage here in this anchor. So you've got your pedestal sink in here. And then you come over to the third bedroom on this level. Luxury vinyl plank throughout. And you've got this little closet over here for hanging stuff. And then you have another closet over here. Nice. And then you have access to the secondary bathroom here through a pocket door. And then the main access here with the shower tub combination and those pretty blue cabinets here as the vanity. So this is a nice space. And you guys, if you've been following me long enough, you know my opinion on these doors here. Because you have that guest powder room here, I don't understand why they put a door here. This could just be a wall and you could have access to this bathroom from here. But I guess the reason is because the bedroom. That makes sense. That does make sense. So I take all that back because this bedroom needs access to the full bath, and that's why that door is there. So what do you think, you guys? Are you loving this color scheme, or do you love the white, very clean color scheme? I'm liking this probably because I don't see it much, but let me know what you think. If you love the anchor and you've loved it for a long time and you think you missed your chance to get it at a great price, well, now is the time to get the anchor at a great price. If you don't mind backing up to another house, you can get a phenomenal deal on this amazing house in Haddington Place, Ocean Ridge, and Sunset Beach by Logan Homes. And you're on the corner. So the only neighbor you have is in the back and then to the left. And you know what? Look, I'm standing here. I don't even see that neighbor to the left because of this awesome garage. So let me know what you think. I'm Jessica Wainwright, 910-518-JESS, 5377. Bye.